This is the first lesson of Pimsleur's Tatar language. Listen to this Tatar conversation. Gafuytigiz. Bilasizmi Ruscha? Yo'q, men bilmem Ruscha. Men bilem Tatarscha es. Siz Rusmi? Aye. In the next few minutes you learn not only understand this conversation, but to take part in it yourself. Imagine a Russian man meeting Tatar woman. He wants to begin the conversation. So he says, "Excuse me, gafu itigiz." I'm going to repeat this word part by part, starting from the end. Try to repeat. Guess, 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 itigiz, itigiz, gafu, gafu, gafu itigiz, gafu itigiz. How do you say excuse me in Tatar? Gafu itigiz. Now he wants to ask her if she know Russian. First, Russian. Listen and repeat. Ruscha. Rus. Cha. Ruscha. Ruscha. How do you say Russian? Ruscha. Say excuse me. Gafu itigiz. Say again, Russian. Ruscha. Now he wants to ask, do you know? Bilasizmi? Bilasizmi? Repeat part by part. Me. Me. Sizmi? Siz. Sizmi? Lesizmi? Bilasizmi? Say, do you know? Bilasizmi? And now try to say, do you know Russian? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Try to ask again, do you know Russian? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Now say, excuse me. Gafu itigiz. Gafu itigiz. Ask, do you know? Bilasizmi? Bilasizmi? Ask me, do I know Russian? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Now the Tatar woman answer you. No. Listen and repeat. Yo'q. Yo'q. Say no. Yo'q. Yo'q. How she ask you if you know Russian? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Bilasizmi Ruscha? Do you know Russian? Bilasizmi Ruscha? No, I don't know Russian. First, listen and repeat the word I. Mean. Mean. How do you say I? Mean. And now the word don't know. Bilmem. Bilmem. Mim. Bil. Bilmem. Bilmem. I don't know. Mean bilmem. Say I don't know. Mean bilmem. Bilmem. Try to say I don't know Russian. Mean bilmem Ruscha. How to say I don't know? Mean bilmem. And now try to ask if she know. Bilasizmi? Bilasizmi? How to say I am. Mean. I do not know Russian. Min bilmim Rusça. Now he wants to tell her that he know Tatar a little. Just listen. Min bilem Tatarça es. He is the word know. I know. Bilem. Am. Bilem. How to say no? Bilem. Do you remember how to say I? Mean. Now try to say I know. Mean bilem. Now he says that he know Tatar language. Listen and repeat. Min bilem Tatarça. Min bilem Tatarça. Now the word a little. As. You can also use the word biraz, but better use the word as. Try to say I know Tatar. Min bilem Tatarça. Now try to say I don't know Tatar. Min bilmim Tatarça. Min bilmim Tatarça. Now try to ask, do you know Tatar? Bilasizmi Tatar? Bilasizmi Tatarça? Now try to answer, I know Tatar a little. Min bilem Tatarça es. Min bilem Tatarça es. Do you remember how to say word I? Mean. Do you remember what does that word as mean? A little. As. A little. Say, excuse me. Gafu iteges. How to say no? Yuk. Now she wants to ask you, are you Russian? Just listen. Says Rusma. Here is the word you. Just listen. Says. Listen and repeat. You. Says. And do you remember how to ask, do you know? Bilasizmi? And do you know Russian? Bilasizmi Rusça? Now the word Russian, literally Russian person. Listen and repeat. Rus. And now here's how to ask, are you Russian? Says Rusma. Says Rusma. Says Rusma. Do you remember how to say I am? Mean. And do you remember how to say you? Says. And how do you say I don't know? Min bilmem. Min bilmem. I don't know Tatar. Min bilmem Tatarça. I know Tatar a little. Min bilem Tatarça es. Are you Russian? Siz Rusma. Now the Russian man answer you yes. Listen and repeat. Aye. Aye. Say yes. Aye. Do you remember how to ask, do you know Tatar? Bilasiz mi? And now try to ask, are you Russian? Siz Rusma? Siz Rusma? Say yes. Aye. Do you remember how to say I am? Min. Now try to say I am Russian. Min Rus. Min Rus. Now try to say I am Tatar. Listen and repeat. Min Tatar. Min Tatar. Try to ask, do you know Tatar? Bilasiz mi Tatarça? Bilasiz mi Tatarça? A little. As. As. I know a little. Min bilem as. Min bilem as. Now the Tatar woman asks you, try to answer her. Siz Rusma? Siz Rusma? Now the Tatar woman asks you, Bilasiz mi Tatarça? Bilasiz mi Tatarça? That means, do you know Tatar? Now you can answer her that you really know Tatar a little. Now it's true. Say her, I know Tatar a little. Min bilem Tatarça es. Min bilem Tatarça es. This is the end of lesson 1. Thank you for learning Tatar language. Goodbye.